Found place. Feel the carotids. Breathe in, breathe out, stop breathing. Breathe. Found the place. Feel the carotids. Breathe in, breathe out, stop breathing. Breathe. Find the place. Feel the carotids. Breathe in, breathe out, stop breathing. Breathe. Find the place. Feel the carotids. Breathe in, breathe out, stop breathing. Breathe. Okay, conclusion. First point of auscultation, on the apex of the heart, the first sound of normal loudness, not splitted, no additional sounds, no murmurs found. Second and third points of auscultation, the second sound is of normal loudness, not splitted, no additional sounds, no murmurs found. The fourth intercostal space, the first sound of normal loudness, not splitted, no additional sounds, no murmurs found. The heart sounds are rhythmic, or the rhythm of heart sounds is regular. Question?